Hey guys, welcome to my video. I'm doing a lighting kit setup today for photographing small guys like this. Miniatures, anything that's probably something like 5-6 inches or smaller. This is probably about 1.5 inches tall. This is a miniature from Lord of the Rings Journey to Middle-earth. I painted it for a friend. So this will be a budget setup for photographing miniatures, but really it works for anything small. Total price on this is probably around $37 maybe. These two LEDs were about $35 on Amazon together. Came in a 2-pack. It actually came with some extender arms as well, so they actually get to be about something like 18 inches, 2 feet tall if you put the extenders in them. But right now I'm just going to use little tripods because we really don't need anything else for this. Other than the lighting, you just need a foam core board or something that can be used as a background. This, what I did was I just drew a line on the back of this and cut the one side. That way it folds open. You just put something behind it to prop it up. Let me show you how to set it up. There we go. All right, so now we're going to put our lights up. Okay, now that we got our lighting set up, gonna put our subject in the middle here. Oops. Then we just take our cell phone, put it on the most zoomed in setting. Then you want to take a shot where he's basically filling the frame, but it's not too close. A lot of times the best way to do this is to rest the phone on the table. That way you don't have as much shake. Try to hit a couple angles. These LED panels, I got them off Amazon. They're about $35 for the pair. They have different inserts that you can put in. So if you wanted to add like a blue or green or yellow cast, make the light warmer, cooler, that is available. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for joining me today, guys. If you're interested in this lighting kit or anything else in this video, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe. I'll put a link in the description to the lighting kit. This is really about as good as it gets for a budget, very, very budget kit. I've got some photos I took with this lighting setup on my cell phone and then just with ambient light without the setup, and it's night and day the difference. If you can, leave a comment, like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Thanks.